Hey, welcome back to the workshop. A sharpening strop is one of the most useful tools that you can have in your sharpening kit. But if you use it enough, eventually the surface gets all glazed over and crudted up. So today we're going to fix that. Let's get started. So I've been using this strop for a couple of years now. The surface is starting to get pretty badly glazed over with fine metal particles from sharpening tons of knives. I'm going to take the surface back down to bare leather and apply a fresh coat of stropping compound. Step 1 is to scrape off as much of the old compound as you can. The old stropping compound is pretty well embedded into the leather and it doesn't want to come off easily. I'm using an old Mora knife to do this, but you could use a paint scraper, a chisel, or anything you have with a sharp edge. After I've scraped off as much as I can with the knife, the next step is to smooth out the entire surface of the leather using 80 grit sandpaper. After scraping and sanding, this strop is pretty much back down to a bare leather surface. Now it's time to reapply the stropping compound. Before I apply the compound, first I'm going to oil the leather with mineral oil. This is the secret to getting the compound to go on smoothly and evenly. I'm using Dialux Green stropping compound. Dialux is a European brand, and their polishing compounds are intended for the jewelry and watchmaking industries. Dialux Green is formulated for polishing hard alloys such as platinum and stainless steel. It works great for stropping knives. Well, I guess that pretty much does it. Just a couple minutes of work and this strop is good as new. So I hope you found that interesting, and I'll be right back here in the workshop with another video just as soon as I can. See you then.